Hello children, today we are going to learn about Coulomb's law. Coulomb measures the force between 2 point charges by using torsion balance. The statement of Coulomb's law: the force between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of charges and inversely proportional to square of distance, and this force acted along the line joining the two charges. So this is the statement given by Coulomb. As shown in figure, let us consider 2 point charges Q1 and Q2, which are separated by small r distance, and F is the force acting between them. By statement, the force is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of two charges, that is F proportional to Q1 Q2, and this force is inversely proportional to square of the distance, that is F proportional to 1 by r square. When we combine this equation, we get F proportional to Q1 Q2 by r square. Therefore, F is equals to some constant K into Q1 Q2 by r square. Here K is proportionality constant. K is also known as relative permittivity, dielectric constant, whose value is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square Coulomb inverse square. By substituting this value in above equation, we get F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by r square. So this expression gives the force acting between 2 point charges according to Coulomb's law. In vector form, F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square into r cap. This is the vector form of Coulomb's law, where r cap is unit vector and epsilon naught is permittivity. R cap is unit vector, epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. Now, what is permittivity of free space? The ability of medium or substance to store electrical energy in an electric field is called permittivity. The ability of medium to store electrical energy in an electric field is called permittivity of free space, whose value is equals to 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. When two charges are kept in a medium, then the Coulomb force F medium is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by r square, where epsilon is permittivity of the particular medium. We know that Coulomb force F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square, keeping K is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equals to 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square, and Q1 is equals to Q2 is equals to 1 coulomb, and R is equals to 1 meter. In above equation, then we get F is equals to 9 into 10 power 9 newtons. Now here we can define coulomb. When two equal charges are placed at 1 meter distance apart, experiences 9 into 10 power 9 Newton force, then the charge of each is said to be 1 coulomb. When two equal charges placed at 1 meter distance apart experiences 9 into 10 power 9 Newton's force, then the charge of each is said to be 1 coulomb. Thank you.